Hello beautiful people, you're most welcome to my channel. If you are new, consider subscribing, and to all my return subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I love you. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you receive all the notifications whenever I upload. So guys, in today's video we're gonna make some box braids, and my hair is in three is in African threading. So we're gonna first remove it in African threading. Okay, then we'll do some parting. That's all. One helps to straighten the hair. So guys, I've just finished removing the threads. Now I want to comb it, but I usually use my own fingers. So let me first spray some water inside the result. I use my hands, but definitely try with this, but I most of the time I use my hands. So guys, after parting from here to here, then we're gonna cut whatever into two sections. Alright, again we're gonna cut into two, one, then it becomes two. Alright, we're gonna cut into So guys, after dividing it into two, this part and this, then we're gonna cut the first one down into three. The first one, and then two. Make sure that the middle one hides the line with what you separated when we are beginning. Alright guys? Yeah, that's it. Then we're gonna make three braids. So guys, the second line, we're gonna make four. The first one down, we'll make three braids. Then we're gonna make four braids. Then we're gonna put from here to here. First time we put from here, right? First we did here, then we're going to do here. Hope you get me. This here. Braiding, just I don't know what to say. I'm just but anyhow. Okay. But today I just wanted to do the party. And that party. Hope I parted well, guys. Then here, our hairstyle. This one is easier for me. This one better than Then we're gonna divide this into 3. First one, and this into 2. This. This is big. You have to make them equal. So guys, gonna do it the next time offline. Off topic. So guys, let's finish. And this is the end result. Hope you enjoyed. That is the end result. So guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video when I'm braiding. See you in the next video. Bye bye.